Hello, and welcome to another episode of Storytime with Miss Max. It is I, Miss Max, and I'm here to read a Pete the Kitty story. You know Pete the cat? Well, this is Pete when he was a kitty. This Pete the Kitty story is called Pete the Kitty in the Case of the Hiccups. Uh-oh. And this story was written by, or the author of the story is James Dean. Let's see what Pete the Kitty does when he gets the hiccups. Let's check it out. Hiccup! Oh no, Pete has the hiccups. Hiccup, hiccup. How do you stop the hiccups? Pete asks Grumpy Toad, "How do I stop my hiccups?" "I know," says Grumpy Toad. "You stand on one foot." Pete stands on one foot. Hiccup! Pete still has the hiccups. That didn't work. Let's see. Pete asks Callie, "How do I stop my hiccups?" "I know," says Callie. "You stand on one foot and hop up and down." Pete stands on one foot. He hops up and down. Hiccup, hiccup. Pete still has the hiccups. Oh no. Pete asks Gus, "How do I stop my hiccups?" "I know," says Gus. "You stand on one foot and hop up and down and sing a song." Let's see if that works. Pete stands on one foot. He hops up and down. He sings a song. Hiccup, hiccup, hiccup. Pete still has the hiccups. Oh no, that didn't work either. Pete asks Bob, "How do I stop my hiccups?" "I know," says Bob. "You stand on one foot and hop up and down and sing a song and rub your belly," says Bob. Pete does. Look at him. He's on one foot, he's hopping up and down, he's singing a song, and he's rubbing his belly. You think that worked? Oh, nothing is working. Pete still has the hiccups. "Go ask Mom," says Bob. Ah, very good idea, Bob. Pete asks Mom, "How do I stop my hiccups?" "I know," says Mom. "You take a deep breath." Pete takes a deep breath. Let's see. "Hold your breath and blow it out," says Mom. Pete holds his breath. He's holding his breath. Pete blows it out. Look at him. Pete blows his breath out. That's it? Pete asks. That's it, says Mom. Oh, wow. Pete waits, and he waits, and he waits. You think it's gone? Is it gone? The hiccups are gone. Moms are so smart. The end. What an awesome story. It took Pete the kitty a long time to figure it out, but shout out to Moms. Mom knew exactly what to do to help Pete the kitty with his hiccups, and his hiccups are all gone. What are some ways that you get rid of your hiccups? Do you hold your breath? Do you get scared? How do you get rid of your hiccups? You can email us your response, and you can also tell us what awesome book you would like to see me read. Just tell me the story, and I will give you a shout out when I read the book. Thank you so much for stopping by and having story time with me. Until next time, bye.